So there was a question about making the bar charts and the pie charts from the data in the homework. So we had summaries of data instead of the actual data. So yesterday we saw here was a table with all the actual data in the first two columns. So the variables were hair color and eye color, and the units were 1995 U.S. high school students. And when we summarized that into a frequency table, we had a column for eye color and the frequency, which told us, how many of each we had. And I used stat table's frequency to generate that table. But once I have a summary of data, here I have the summary without the original data, then getting the graphs from this is fairly simple. Again, we do bar plot with summary now because we don't have the data in this table. The categories are the eye color, the counts or the frequencies are in frequency. And we want to order this generally by the value or the count descending if we're doing a bar plot. And we can put the value above the bar. You can put title on there. 1995 high school eye color for the title. We generally want horizontal lines for this. Or no, why it said horizontal line. Oh yeah, we have horizontal lines going across here, and then the vertical lines, vertical bars going here. So again, we see this as the Pareto chart or the bar chart here. In general, for bar charts, we want to put them in this order. If they're nominal, if they're ordinal, we'll put them in the natural order that we would have for them there. And you can edit this and do it as a relative frequency as well. If you wanted to, there's your relative frequency. So the proportions, you can do it as a percent or other means as well. So that gives us the bar chart. The pie chart, we'll do a pie chart with summary, categories in the eye color, counts, and the frequency. And we can do the count and the percent of total. If you already have percent shown, then you just want to pick one of those. You don't need both of those. And then we order by again, the count descending there. And depending on where we want to start it, it just depends. But I'm not going to worry about that at this point. Depends on the graph that we're working with and what we have. So we see here we have blue, green, hazel, and brown in there. And there are ways to change the colors, but I don't know that there's an easy way. We have a colorblind safe, many shades, a variety of different options there. So that's the basics of how to take summary data and make a bar chart, a Pareto chart, and a pie chart.